The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your 2016 Ford C-Max indicates that the TPMS module isn't communicating with one or more tire sensors. The 2016 C-Max uses direct TPMS with sensors inside each tire transmitting pressure data at 433 MHz. Sensors send signals to the TPMS module, which connects to the dashboard warning light. Each sensor consists of a valve stem and a transmitter operating at 433 MHz. Hybrid C-Max models are more prone to these issues due to voltage fluctuations from the hybrid battery affecting the TPMS receiver module. The most common causes are sensor ID mismatch after tire changes, radio frequency interference, or low sensor battery life. Ignoring this warning can lead to driving with improperly inflated tires, reducing fuel efficiency, and increasing the risk of tire failure. Ford has issued Service Bulletin SB 1701-05 addressing these issues, recommending OEM parts for optimal compatibility. There are two primary methods to resolve the Tyre Sensors Not Detected error: a relearn procedure and a module reset. First, try the relearn procedure. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, drive the C-Max at a consistent speed of 20 to 30 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes in a straight line. This allows the sensors to transmit their IDs to the TPMS module, automatically clearing the error. If the relearn procedure fails, perform a module reset. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the TPMS module. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scanner with Ford IDS software to force a TPMS relearn by accessing the TPMS menu and initiating the process. Cases requiring sensor replacement are common after 5 to 7 years due to battery degradation, costing around $150 at a shop. While DIY fixes often succeed, professional intervention may be needed for corroded sensors or wiring issues.